First of all, I want to say many congratulations to the Republic Media Network. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Cheers, guys! Cheers! Congratulations, Nupur. Fantastic day for you. It's been a vindication. This is superb. This is superb. And I want an answer from Times Now today, the channel which I launched with a great deal of effort. And I want to tell everyone in the Times Now newsroom, if you're listening to me in the Times Now newsroom, go tell your editors. Go tell your editors not to be opportunistic anymore. Go tell your editors. Am I live? Yeah. I want all the people in the Times Now newsroom to understand, particularly Times Now, do not be opportunistic. You have lost. Tell the whole world that you have lost. Lose honorably. I say lose very honorably. And I want to share some numbers. Can I be heard in everywhere tonight? The numbers are this. I know the numbers by heart by now, Niranjan. This is fantastic. This is beautiful. This is super. We are 200% greater than Times Now today in viewership. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic. Brilliant performance by us. And how much bigger are we than CNN News 18? Tell me. CNN News 18 newsroom, hear me. This is Arnab Goswami speaking to you. Republic is 230% bigger than your channel. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And now to the channel called India Today. India Today, which dared to question our viewership, Niranjan. People in the India Today newsroom, hear me. Hear me loud and clear. This is Arnab Goswami here. India Today newsroom, hear me. We are 270% bigger than you. Clever me. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Celebrations all around, ladies and gentlemen. This is brilliant. This is wonderful. This is electric. This is a victory. This is a vindication. And I want to tell someone in the Republic, from the Republic TV newsroom, to the turncoats who thought they walk in my shoes. Turncoats, face your newsroom now. You will never walk in my shoes. I carried my shoes with me. Go and ask Parambir to find you a fresh pair of shoes. Hip hip hooray for the Republic Media Network. This is brilliant. This is historic. This is the rebirth of a brand. This is a brand I want to tell you all today in the newsroom. Please hear me. This is a brand which has been challenged. This is a brand which has been questioned. These are people whose integrity has been questioned. We have been called scamsters. We have been called thieves. We have been called money launderers. And I want to tell everyone in these newsrooms today, don't you dare point a finger. Here and henceforth, don't you dare point a finger at the Republic Media Network. And I want to tell you that by the 15th of August, the Republic Media Network will be on its way to launching its global channel. Hip hip hooray to that. Hip hip hooray. We celebrate our sacrifice. We celebrate every single moment. And please listen to me now. Listen to me. India Today, Times Now, any channel. Don't you look at the big, best, fastest, and we are Republic. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. We must thank all our viewers today. And we must not forget to thank our viewers today, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a victory. This is more than a victory. This is vindication at another level. This is love, ladies and gentlemen. This is the love of the people of India for the Republic Media Network. Now and forever, the #1, unquestioned, unchallenged #1 of the news industry in the country. The Republic Media Network is here for good. We don't dominate, we rule, we win, and we are supreme. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to the Hindi network, Republic Bharat. Please give a round of applause for Republic Bharat. And you know the other news today. क्या आप दूसरे न्यूज को जानते हैं? रिपब्लिक भारत के बारे में आपको पता है? आज हुई है तक की करारी हार. आज तक की करारी आज. Because Aaj Tak has lost the #1 position. And you know who has gained the most? It is the one and only Republic Bharat. Big round of applause for Republic Bharat. Hip hip! Hip hip! And I now want to say something for our Bangla channel. For our Bangla channel. For our Bangla channel. Republic Bangla Z24 থেকে 230% বেশি, মানে কি we are 230% the viewership of Z24. Historic viewership in the Bengal market. Historic viewership. Historic viewership, ladies and gentlemen. Now what does that make us? What does that make us? हिंदी के जितने दर्शक हमें देख रहे हैं, मैं आपसे कुछ कहना चाहूंगा आज कि देखिए, ये लुटियन की मीडिया, ये तकवाले, ये सारे जितने थे वहां पे, कुछ नहीं छोड़ा इन्होंने। उनको लगा कि अर्नब गोस्वामी को जेल भेजो तो जीत जाएंगे। आज पूरा भारत आपसे पूछता है, तक तुम क्यों हारे? तक तुम क्यों हारे? पूछता है भारत, तक तुम क्यों हारे? अपनी गिरबान में जाग के देखो तुम, आज तुम क्यों हारे। मगर अपने ग्रिड पे जरा लगा दो भैया कि हार गए हैं। मान लो, खबर देखो, बार की रेटिंग्स निकल आई है। आपके अपने लोग तो बार के बोर्ड में बैठे हैं ना। तो मैं पूछ रहा हूं, आज किसके रेटिंग पर सवाल उठाओगे? रिपब्लिक भारत के जितने दर्शक हैं, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं, रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग व्यूअरशिप के साथ यूक्रेन और चुनाव के कवरेज को देखते हुए रिपब्लिक भारत ने आज तक को बुरी तरह से हराई है। इट्स अ वेरी बिग विक्ट्री फॉर रिपब्लिक भारत। एंड व्हाट डज दैट मेक अस? अब हम क्या हुए हैं? मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, हम क्या हुए आज के बाद? रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क क्या बना है? रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क, what has it become? And I want to tell you what you have become. अगर आप तीनों चैनल्स के व्यूअरशिप को एक साथ करें, if you take the viewership of all three channels together, Republic TV, and this is the breaking news, Niranjan, you better be writing that. If you take the viewership of the three channels together, Republic TV, Republic Bharat, and Republic Bangla, then I am proud to say that as per BARC, Republic is the largest news network in India today. Hip hip hooray! The largest news network in the entire country, unquestioned, across all the states of India, all demographies and every age, across every section of the population, every gender, every region. The Republic Media Network has become the largest news network in the country. I am very बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सबसे बड़ा न्यूज नेटवर्क बन के उभरा है। जितनी कठिनाई, जितनी कोशिश, जितनी साजिश, जितनी जो कुछ को जिसको जो करना था उन्होंने किया, मगर आज जैसे कहते हैं, सच को झुकाई नहीं जा सकती। Republic Media Network is the strongest news network in India. I'm getting calls from everywhere. Thank you very much, Niranjan. Thank you everyone to my team. Thank you, Ankit.
And a big thanks to you, Arnab, and a big thanks to all our viewers who have made Republic the #1 news channel.
Speak to our viewers in Bangla. Can I be connected to the viewers in Bangla? याद रखो क्या क्या हुआ है हमारे साथ, कभी भूलना मत, कभी मत भूलना कि इस न्यूज रूम में क्या क्या हुआ है। Never forgive and never forget. और मैं तक वालों को और सबको कहना चाहता हूं, उन्हें हर्ष यू वेट। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, रिमेंबर दिस टाइम्स नाउ, रिमेंबर दिस इंडिया टुडे। अर्नब गोस्वामी never forgives and never forgets. The Republic Media Network will not forgive and will not forget. Over to you, Ankit. Take it from here.